Okay, today we're going to show you how to fix a fairly common camera error when you upgrade to Windows 10. The error that we're going after is 0xAooF424F. The problem really has nothing to do with the camera app. Instead, it's caused by permissions on the camera directory. And the fix is fairly easy. Just change the permissions. And the next slide will show you how to do it. The procedure is relatively simple. Open the File Explorer, navigate to the Pictures directory on your computer, find the camera roll and right-click, choose Properties, Security, Edit, Home Users, and then simply allow full access. Apply that. Click OK. OK here. And believe it or not, you're done.